Hello, and welcome to episode number 6. Okay, my name is Dr. D, and you can learn English with me. All right, now, what we do today is a bit tricky, complicated, but it's very important. You must learn that, all right? You know, when you do something every day, you remember episode 1, you say, I get up, I like, I drink, I call, and so on. But when it's yesterday, you learned that in episode 5, you have to add something, like the normal verbs. I call my friend Sayo every day. Yesterday I called him, ed, call, called. All right, I called him at 5 o'clock yesterday. Yesterday, 2 days ago, or on Monday, on Sunday, on Friday. Okay? This is the past tense. It's over, right? You have the ed with many, many, many words. Like you clean, I clean the window every day. Here in my beautiful picture. And in the past it's I cleaned, a soft D, but it's ed, clean, cleaned. All right, so it's wash, washed, call, called, ask, asked, and I talk to you, talk. Yesterday I talked to you. Listen to the ed. Sometimes it's soft, like clean, cleaned, but sometimes it's hard, wash, washed, or ask, asked, right? Don't forget it's ed, right? But there is a whole list, a long list of words that have no ed. They have special forms. And these special forms you will learn today. Or you take your tablet or your computer or your iPhone, your phone, and you look in the internet, and there you find them under irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. Okay, there you find go, went, see, saw, do, did, give, gave, and so on. But you can also learn them with me today. All right, are you ready? We do them in alphabetical order, so A, B, C, D, E, and we have about 25 verbs. Are you ready? Okay, let's sit a little more comfortable. This is comfortable. We begin with the word begin, right? I begin my classes, or I begin my work at 9 o'clock every day. Begin. The past tense is began. So I begin my work at 9 every day. Yesterday I began my work at 10 o'clock. Begin, began. Break. Listen, break. This is how you write it. Break. The past tense is broke. Break, broke. When you do sports or skiing in the mountains and you fall, you can break your arm. You can break your arm. I broke my arm 2 years ago. I broke my arm 2 years ago. Break, broke. Bring is the next one. It's the letter B. Bring. For example, Henry, can you bring me the newspaper? Henry brings me the newspaper every day. Yesterday he brought the newspaper. He brought the newspaper. Okay? Bring, brought. Look at that. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. All right. Build, build. In our city, they build a new swimming pool. Build, right? Build with a D. That is to put up stones and build something. Last year, they built a new bridge over the river. We have a river, and they built a new bridge. The difference is build, built, a T, no D. Build, built. All right, here's another word. Buy, buy. It's not this buy. No, no, no. It's when you have no potatoes, no tomatoes, no salad, no milk, you go into the supermarket and you buy things. For example, I buy milk at the supermarket. I buy milk at the supermarket, but yesterday I bought milk. I bought. It's like bring, you know, bring, brought, buy, bought. Are you ready for more? Okay. Come, that's an easy one. I come home at 5 every day. Yesterday I came home. Came. Come, came at 6 o'clock. Do, did. All right? I do a lot of things every day. I do sports. I do the dishes. I clean the plates and so on after dinner. And the past tense is did. All right? I did a lot of things yesterday. Do, did. You know the word drive. You drive in your car. You drive a car. The past tense is not drived with ed. No, it's drove. Drive, drove. And again, don't give up. All right? You can stop the video every time I say a word and you write it down, right? Drive, drove. You write down drove. Eat. I ate. Yesterday I ate a lot of apples. I ate a lot of apples. Now we have the letter F. Fall. When you walk and then you fall, okay, then you can hurt yourself. You can have problems. You fall. Okay, the past tense is fell. Fall, fell. The old man fell on the road. He fell on the road and he broke his arm. Good. What about that? Feel. When you feel something, you feel, oh, this is nice, feel. Or you say, hey, I feel good. I feel good, right? Feel, felt. Yesterday I felt good. I felt fine. Okay, felt. Feel, felt, T. All right. Find, okay. Where are my glasses? My glasses. Oh, I can't find them. On Tuesday I found my glasses. I found them. Find, found. Okay, when you go in an airplane, right, you go from here to Turkey or to England or to Sweden or to France or to Spain, then you fly. Last year you flew home. You flew to Egypt. You flew to Germany. You flew to Austria. Fly, flew. Difficult, huh? Flef? No, it's flew. Okay, you've got the first third. Here's another one. We start with, what is it? With G now. Okay, you know the word get. You know it from get up. I always get up at 6 o'clock. Yesterday I got up at 7 o'clock. Get, got. Get up, got up. Get also means you get something. For example, in your emails here, oh, I got 3 emails. Let's see. I got many emails last week. I got many emails last week. It's get and got. Don't give up. Give, okay? I give my daughter €2 or $2 or £2 or whatever, okay? I give my daughter a little money. And last week I gave her some money. I gave. Give, gave. That's easy. I hear the news. I hear a voice. I hear children. Yesterday I heard something. Hear, heard. Hear, heard. But don't mix that up with hurt, okay? When you fall, you hurt your hand. I hurt my hand yesterday. This is easy because the present is hurt and the past is hurt. So I hurt my arm every year and last week I hurt my arm. But it's a hard T. You say hurt, not heard. This is what you hear. All right. Again, hear, heard, hurt, hurt. Then a difficult one. You know many words. Know. You know. No. I knew the word so-and-so. I knew, that's the past tense. To know, knew. Leave, you know that word, okay? Leave. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. Yesterday I left the house. Leave, left. Easy. Lose and lost. Lose, lost. I always lose my key. Where is my key? Now, okay, I lost my key yesterday. I lost my key yesterday. Lose, lost. Make is the normal word. I make tea, I make coffee, I make something. And last week I made coffee. This morning I made a nice cup of coffee. Make and made. Not many more, just about 10 or 12, all right? Meet, okay. I meet new people. I meet somebody, so hello, and we meet. Last week I met Paul, I met Saban, I met Aisha. Okay, meet, met. Now it's about money again. When you buy something, you go into the supermarket and you buy, you need money, okay? You need money. You need your money. You need kuna, or you need rand, or you need dollars, or you need marks, or whatever, krona in Sweden, krona, and so on, or pounds. So you have to pay, okay? You get something and you pay for it. Pay. Past tense is paid. It sounds like ed, but it's P-A-I-D. Pay, paid, right? Put is a nice word. This is my tablet and I put it here. The past tense is no different. It's put, put, put. Okay. And you read the newspaper here. I read the newspaper every day. Yesterday I read the newspaper. Read, read. But look at the writing. Read, huh? Yeah, the same writing. R-E-A-D. But it's read, read. You hear when you say yesterday, you cannot say I read. Yesterday I read the newspaper. This is the reason. Here are the last words, okay? The last words. Say, okay? What does he say? He says something, and the past tense is said. Say, said. It's not said. It's say, said. He said to me, "Hi, Dr. D. How are you?" Okay? Say, said. See. I see my friends every Friday. Last Friday, I saw my friends. See, saw. All right? When you want to know about me, I will send you, I'll write, and I'll send you an email. Send and sent. Listen to the T. Send, sent. Okay? Yesterday, I sent an email to my friend. I sent an email. All right. Sleep. Easy. You sleep. Okay? I sleep about 7 hours every night. Last night or yesterday, I slept 6 hours. Sleep, slept. Speak, speaked. Spoke, speak, spoke. All right? And spend, spent. It's like send, send. Spend is an interesting word. Spend, for example, you spend a lot of money for food. You spend a lot of money for your holidays. Money, money, money. There it goes. In my holidays, I spent a lot of money last year. I spent, spend, spent. Here's a T, spent. Take, you already know. I take the train. I take a taxi. I take a shower. Okay? And the past tense is took. Take, took. Yesterday, I didn't take a train. I took a taxi. I took a taxi. Tell is also something like speak and say. I tell you a little story. I tell you a story. I told you the story. To tell, told. All right? 3 more, okay? The last one is think. The next one is think, wear, and write. And then that's it. Okay? So think. I'm thinking. I always think of my holidays. I always think of my next holidays. I think. I thought about it last week. I thought about it. Think, thought. Do you remember bring, brought? Buy, bought? Here is one more. Think, thought. Thought. It's an O-U-G-H-T. Difficult writing. Okay, I always wear black. Okay, I like black. Okay, Dr. D likes black. Today I wear black. Yesterday I wore black. On Monday I wore black. Wear, wore. It's only for clothes, for pullovers, t-shirts, jackets, and so on, trousers. It's not when you have something like this, you carry it, but you wear a shirt, you wear new shoes, you wear nice trousers. Wear. Past tense, wore. The last one more with W. Are you ready? I write an email. I write many emails every day. I write many emails every day. Yesterday I wrote 20 emails. Yesterday I wrote 20 emails. That was the list. Look, it's a long list. Okay. All right. Can we practice this a little bit? Now, when you stop and you just guess, okay? Here we go. I say give, and you say gave. I say leave, and you say left. I left the house. Meet, met. Okay? Read, read. Same writing. Take, took. Okay? Go. Oh, we forgot go. Go and went. Go, went. Nothing to do with that. I go to work every day. Yesterday I went to work. I went. Go, went. All right? What about pay? You pay. Past tense, paid. Okay. Now, it's your job now to remember all these words, because in episode number 7 and 8 and 9 and the other, we need these forms. Okay? Wow, right. That was hard work. Okay? Have a good time and see you in episode number 7. Bye-bye.